Welcome. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 5-22, the cylinder block for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Alright, let's go. File, new, part MMGS. Alright, gonna go front view, normal, sketch. Now we're gonna do, let's see, two circles first. 1, 2. Then we're gonna do the center point arc in the middle of that circle, just put there roughly. And again with that one. Oop, that way, thank you. Doesn't work one way, just zoom around till you get the right way. Now we want dimension, that's going to be 50. And this one's going to be, that's at 50 of diameter, that's going to be 41.5 radius, 41.5. Okay, so this one and this one's going to be equal, going to be the same, and same with this one. These two are going to be equal. There we go. Now we got this point, and these 2 points here will be horizontal. So they're all the same. Beautiful. And this one with this point and this point is going to be horizontal. That's better. What were they even? Because that moved. Okay, so now we got a line. Let me put this line from there to there. That's good. Because at the end of there, it doesn't create another line. Now if we go line from here, out, down, across, up, and across, and that's closed in. Beautiful. Now we've got from the center point here to the end there, it's going to be, what was that, 50. 50. Just move, oop, not that one. Move that one over there. There we go. Put that one back there. Okay, so this one here, this point to that point will be 76. From the, where are we? From this point to this point will be, I missed, 35. And this point to this point will be 35, so they're 70 apart. And then from center point, to the edge, or I'm just going to put on this point here, that's going to be 40. That line there should be vertical. There we go. I didn't realize it wasn't clicked like that. That's fine. Easy fixed. And again, this point to this point will be 40. And that should lock everything in place. Yes, it does. Looking good. 40, 70, 40, 40, 70, 235s, 40, 50, 76. Yep. So now feature extrude. Mid plane, that's a width of 108, and done. Okay, that's the easy part done. Actually, most of the easy is just one part here I found hard. Now, if you cut this in the quarter, this piece is a mirror. Those two are going to be mirrored, and those are going to be mirrored. I tried doing that first, then doing the piece and mirrored it. It caused so much issues. I found do this. Do one little piece at a time, mirror that across, which I'll show you, and then do the next piece, mirror that across. So virtually this side and this side is going to be the same. So if you, as I said, cut that in half, this piece is going to be the exact same as all them, but mirrored. Okay, so now let me now go to normal. It's going to be sketch on that one. Now we want to go where we center line, we want go from there to that point to down, and I'm just going to go another one. There we go. Delete that one. Now this is going to be 10 degrees. From there to there, it's going to be, from there to there, it's going to be 10 degrees. And that one's going to be 10 degrees. There we go. Now we want, let me just bring them in a bit. Let me now zoom in. Now we want a circle of 6. So let me do, thank you, from there to about there, and again, now they're going to be, it's going to be a circumference of 3, sorry, radius of 3 now, because it is 6, 3 and 3, beautiful. Now we do want another arc here. Let me go up a bit. Use the mouse at the moment, not trackball. Still getting used to it. Oh man, I swear I clicked that. Thank you. From there to there to there. Now we want that point's gonna be. Oh nope. Where's the sound of that point? Get there, thank you. That's there. Okay, cool. That's hooked on that one. That's hooked on that. Okay, yep, I did do them. Right, that's good. So if I do that, yeah, I can't move it. Beautiful, yep. Right, now what we want is a line. Straight down. Beautiful. We got that point and that point to join. But you want this line and this curve to be, what's it, tangent. This point to this curve is going to be joined. And then these two should be joined, or if it doesn't work, I can trim it. There we go. Perfect. Now we want another line. Now this is actually, let me just move a bit. Thank you. Let's see now. This here, from this point to that point. Oh, why click it doesn't click. Make sure it is on the angle, not straight. On the angle, it's going to be 14.5. That's good. Now we do a line from that point down, but now let's make this curve and this curve as tangent. There we go. It's in the correct position now. Reason I didn't move them earlier, I want to make sure I get those points so I can see where they are. Okay, so now this line and this one will be tangent. This point to this line will be joined, and these two should be joined. That should bring it together beautifully. Yes, it does. Nice. Now this point here, smart dimension, from that line to that point. Oh, so what? Actually, that may work out actually. So that's 25. So it's 25 to there. Then it's going to be 3, which is 28.5. So it's going to be 28.5. Oh, right. 28.5. Right. Forgot I hasn't clicked yet. That one to that one. It's going to be 28.5. There we go. That's locked in, beautiful. Now if we do a line from there to there, make that line and this line, the curve and straight, as tangent. this curve and this straight as tangent. This point and that line as joined, and these two should join up. Beautiful. Pretty sure I tried that the other day and it didn't work, but it's working there for some reason. I'm not going to argue. I already done the tangent. Up, unhighlight that. At this point, this line as joined, then this point to this point as joined. There we go. That's the shape we want. Beautiful. Now it's going to go in by 3mm, I believe. So feature, extrude, cut, 3mm, and done. There we go. Now, that I'm going to leave as is. No, went to click it. Yeah, sorry. I was thinking it's still a shade. I was thinking something else. But now, we want to mirror it. So this is what I'm talking about, mirroring the mirroring piece at a time. So we're going to mirror that across. Now we've got holes in, but still got to put the holes in the bottom. Just realised that. That's fine. Let's do the mirror first. Mirror. It's going to be the plane will be right plane. All I've got to do is click on that one and brings it across and cuts off. I don't need to click around these ones. And done. Now if I mirror it again, if I clear that one, thank you. I want the front plane. Front plane. And if I click that one, and that one says 2 behind, and done. There you go. That is done. This is what I was talking about before when I cut the in quarter. I did it. Now I tried to mirror the whole thing over. It just kept on coming up so many different errors. This is the easier way I found to do it. Okay, let's do this bottom one first. Let's go to normal. We want to go sketch. We want 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I could always do these 3 to mirror it, but I think it's just as easy this way. So actually, before we do, this point to this point will be horizontal. Same with these 2 points. So let me do all these points up. It's going to be all the same, just down. Could be anyone along that line. Could even do the line, I believe, but I'm doing points that way I know it's correct. And that should be that one done. Now we want these 3 here go horizontal. Sorry, vertical. These 3 vertical. There we go. These 3 I missed. Oh, I got vertical, and then these 3 vertical. There we go. Now if we go that center line there to this center line horizontal. There we go. That's where that needs to be. Okay, so smart dimension. That point to that point will be 16. See, now because I've done all that, they all move across. So virtually it's got to just do just the minimum measurements. There you go, that one's done. Width of 35. 35. 35. There you go, that's done. Now we want this one here. It's going to be, now it's 9.5 either side, but because I already center lined it, I don't need to do that. So it's 9.5 multiplied by 2, which should be 8. 19. There you go. And because it's 9.5 to the center, so because it's already lined up there, I can do that full width. Yeah, this should be 5, I believe. Yep. 5 and 5. There you go. That one's locked in. 5 and 5. There you go. They're all locked in. Just do minimum measurements, which is cool. Now this is depth of 16. So extrude cut 16 and done. Done. Thank you. There you go. 16. They're done. Now for the interesting one. We need to drill 2 holes in here. It's going to be on each side. So we're going to do these 2, which is going to lead down into this part here. So it's going to be the fun part. So right now, let me just go to normal. We need a plane on this level. So if we go to reference, plane, it's going to be from right, but it's going to be across, flip it, but it's going to be across 35, which then puts the dead center in that circle. Because remember, that was 70 from there to there, and that's the center. So that's that one done. Beautiful. So that's the plane we want. I'm going to call that angle hole plane. That way we get a heap of planes, I've got no idea what it's going to be. So, okay, but now we want to go normal on that one. Just go the other way. Only because I want to work on this side. Doesn't matter really, but it's just preference on that one. Okay, so now we want to actually go with sin side. Now we want to go center line from there, just any angle, and that's going to be horizontal. And that's going to be angle of, it's going to be angle 18. And I'm just going to put these 2 as, this does not matter, I just want to do it just so that it ties, just makes it neater. Now we want to do another center line. We want to go from that point. It's going to put them there for now. That way, now it's locked up on the right one. But these 2 are going to be perpendicular. There we go. Now this center line, this is where the circle's going to cut down. So what I want to do is do a, where are we? Measurement. Circle's 3. So from that point to that point, or we just go like that, it's going to be 3.5. There we go. That's locked in. Beautiful. Oh, that one's not locked in. Ah, okay. Yeah, because they can change those, right? Makes sense. So that's going to go into the wall there. That's where we want it. So that's good. Actually, you know what? I'm going to leave it there. You can leave it there if we do it there. I'm going to put the, get off that thing. I'm going to put the circle in and cut out. So you can cut both ways or can cut one way. I'll cut. Actually, I'll do it both ways. I can show you. So that should be good on that one. That should be good. Yep. Okay. So now we that we don't need to put any sketches on that. So this plane there we can hide now. Never delete because you need that for reference. But now we want to go plane. Well, that point, that line. There we go. And that's one we want. And that should be actually angle hole setup plane. Because this is going to be actually angle hole plane. Oh, plane. There we go. Too easy. Now we want to go normal on that one. Actually, no, we won't go that way. There we go. Either way, it would have worked. And sketch. Okay, so now we do a circle on there. Right there. Actually, I'm not going to put a circle on there. Oh, no, not there. I'm just going to put 2 circles. Because we're going to need a circle here and a circle here. I'm going to measure one out. Let me do that one, the measurements away. That's going to be 6. That one and that one will be equal. That point there and that point there will be joined. Okay, what did I do wrong? Something's not right. Did I do the right angle on that? I did the right measurement on that one. Come out there, thank you. Okay, let's sketch that one. 3.5. That's too high, so I think I might have a wrong measurement here. Let me edit that one. Let me do 4 on that. Oh, 40,000. 4. Edit sketch. View that one. Oh man, why does he always go that one first? There we go. There's 4. Wasn't 3.5. Okay, that's fine. So let's go back and edit that one. Now we want to go. Where are we? We want center line from there. Where's that circle center? To there. To there. Now we want this to be 11. Oh, sorry, 22. Actually, might be 10. Hold on. Oh man. I mean, before we do, let's just see. That measurement's going to be 25.85. 5.85. That's good. That should be 10. 20, sorry. Nope, 21. Oh, yeah, 21, that's right, because it's 10.5. That's right, so 21. Yes, because that was 10.5. Even though it's 10 degrees originally, but then it's 10.5, that's right. For some reason it did that. So that's looking good. Okay, so that should be good. So let's go out of that. Go to extrude. Oh, this sketch, extrude. That's better. It helps if you pick something. So it's going to be up to next. Let me turn that back on. There we go. Then direction up to next, and that should have worked. Yes, it did. Oh, it hit the roof. Oh man, why done this test one? It worked perfectly. So what did I do differently on this one? Okay, let's do a slight adjustment on this. Not that one. That one. Let me edit that one. No, not that one actually. Sorry. I had the right one first time. That one. We want to go... Nine. Nope. 26. There we go. A little bit more. What did I do? Ah, there we go. 26.5. I think that might be getting too much. Yeah, it's way too much. Yeah, some of these measurements, either I misread them or they're not quite there properly. Let me go to... What happened? Sketch. 1. It's a sketch. There we go. There we go. We got dug in there a bit. That doesn't make any difference. I think it goes up there. That's fine. That is fine. Okay, so let's hide that one. Hide that one. There we go. Okay, so now if we go to mirror, if we go to front, is it? Nope. Right plane. Then that one there. Then we can do that one, and well, just need to do one. Does a whole lot, which is nice. That one's done. Then if we do mirror again, but this time we want right, I believe. No, front, sorry. Me. Clear. Oh, no. Did mirror 3, does it? Oh, okay, cool. That's had before. Okay. There you go, learned something. There we go. And that should be there, and they're done. Beautiful. Okay. Now, the rest is just virtually drill holes. So let's now go to front. Sketch. We want do 2 circles, one in center line there. Just gonna go a little bit bigger so I can just see it off the product. Or there we go. Now this line and this line should be tangent, and that should be 70. 70. There we go. And technically that should be 70 as well. It is. Beautiful. But they're going to be, sketch, thank you. They're going to be construction. And construction. There we go. Okay, so now we want holes. Holes. And we're going to match those with another piece, which is going to be 526 and 527. Okay, so first hole we're going to put right here. That's going to be the same on each one. Then we're going to put one here and here, one at the top, and then two here, skip there, two here, skip there, and one there. And so let's mirror this one this side, two there, none there, one at the top, and then two there. There we go. Now, let me do a smart dimension on, say, this one, which is going to be, the hole is 5. There we go. Now, if we do all these, oh, missed. It's helpful if you click. Do all these and I'm going to make it equal. No, I thought I clicked the wrong one. I clicked on something but didn't grab it because it knew it wasn't right, so that's good. Now if I do them equal, there we go, beautiful. Now if we do this point and this point's going to be horizontal. This point and this point will be horizontal. And these two will be horizontal. And you probably guessed it. This way I just got to do measurement one side. The other side's going to match. Oh, there we go. Wasn't quite the center. Horizontal. Oh, that one's not on the thing. Come on. There we go. And same for you. I think everyone else is. I think I might lock down to something. See what happens. Okay, you and you horizontal, you and you horizontal. Okay, so now we're going to do a come on, center line from you to you to you, out, out, you to you to you to you. Right, let's see if that works. Oh, I kind of missed that one. We delete these two. And these two, there we go. And let me put that dot with that dot and join. There we go. Okay, now dimension. Oh, we actually missed one line. There we go. Smart dimension. This one to that one is 45. There you go. So that one moves straight up. And this one's 45. There you go. Those two are locked in already. Now this is going to be 30. 30. Beautiful. This is going to be 60. And this one's going to be 30. There you go. They all should be locked in. Looks good. And that's going to be a depth of 19. So let's go feature, extrude, 19, and done. There you go. Now, if we do a mirror on that one, so if we go say mirror, it's going to be front, I believe. Yep. Then we just click on one of those, And that should be mirrored on every single side there, and done. That's good, right? 1, 2, 3, one up top, 2 there, none there. Yep, there you go. That's those two sides done. Now we just got left a hole there, angle, and the holes there. Let me do these ones first. Normal 2, sketch, and they're going to be. Now we could do 4 the mirror, but I think I'm just going to do the whole lot. So let's see now. 1, 2. You know, I'm going to do mirror. Be easier. So, oop, no more circles. Thank you. That one, that one, that one. So 3 across. It's going to be horizontal. 2 down, be vertical. There we go. And this one will be, what's it? 6 mil. There we go. So you, and you are all equal. Thank you. Now, let's see, 6 mil, 6 mil. Yep. So this corner one is going to be 6 mil out. And 6 mil out. Oop. Oh. You. Try again. There we go. 6 mil out. Now across the top is going to be 27. So 27 to 27. And 27. Now it should be 15. 15, correct. Cool, got that right, excellent. Okay, so now let's see, 32 from there to there. What happened? Oh, there we go. 32. Now from the center point to that one, if you click on the circle outside, it does the center, so that's 16. Excellent, that's correct. All right, so we can actually mirror these holes here if we want to too. So if we go mirror, end of these mirror, we'll mirror you, and you. But it's going to be about, I want that one. There we go. Done. Now if we do mirror again, so you could have done in here, or you can go out, drill the holes, go out, and then mirror out there. So either way works. But now we want bang, 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 bang. Just you lot again. But it's going to mirror about the, nope, top, nope, front. Nope, missed. Oh, I want. Up in the right spot. There we go. And done. You got a heap of stuff in there. Feature extrude, and that's going to be a depth of 12. And done. If you mirror in there, you got one less thing there, but it doesn't matter either way, so. But that is done. Nicely done. Okay, now we want to do this hole here. Let me go normal again. Sketch. Well, circle. It's going to be 18 millimeters. With a depth of 29 millimeters. Now we want to run a hole from up there into there on the angle. So let me go to front plane, normal 2, sketch. Let me go into there so I can see. Yeah, it's come from the center of the hole goes to that point there. So if we go center line, if I go there. That's good. So then now if we put that point, actually let me go, so it doesn't matter. Let me zoom in a bit. Okay. We grab you and that line and join. There we go. Now that's going to be, let me do a angle. So let me just go at that one. That's going to be 45 degrees. Actually, it's not 45. It doesn't have measurement there. 30. 30 degrees. That's 30 degrees. Yep. Perfect. So that's 30 degrees. That's done. Now we need to exit out of that. We want to go to reference plane. I'll click the end of that one and then click on that line. And done. And that's going to be a whole angle center plane. I always put plane in the end, that way you can look at it and know it's a plane. You know, you got symbol there. Okay, so now let me go to normal. See, the other way around, just put it that way. Hold on. Oh, there it is, right there. Okay, now we want to go, are we in? No, we're not. Okay, let me go sketch, circle. That's going to be a diameter of 11. That's good. Now, let me just go there so I can see. I'm going to go back to, what's it called? Shaded with edges. I'm going to go out. I'm going to extrude cut. Flip around because I'll go that way. Blind work, but I'm going to go up to, oh no, up to surface. I'm going to click on that one. Okay. There we go. Perfect. That's what I wanted. Perfect. Okay, so now we want to hide that one, hide that sketch, and hide that plane. We don't need that anymore. But now we want to do a mirror. It's going to be right plane, I believe. Yep, right plane. And it's going to be that one. And done. It's on both sides. Perfect. Yep, that is what we want. Excellent. Now, what we've got to do now is put threads in these. Threads in there and threads in there. Which they were 5mm, weren't they? Yep, 5mm. And oh, that bottom was 6mm. Okay, I'm going to do this. I'm going to probably speed this up, but I'll do a couple first. So if anyone's just come into this video first, they've got no idea what to do, but it's just going to be the same thing. So we've got plane, click on that one. So you got plane above, which is nice. Then that's going to be called thread plane. I'll do. You don't need to name it. I'll just do it. Just makes it easier later on. Okay, so now we want to go whole wizard down to thread. Now, first one there, you want the circle. Second one there, you want this plane. Third one, you want the bomb circle. See, now it is going all the way through. We want to extrude thread, want to trim it, and trim it. In that second one, don't do it. I'll just do it just for finish it off and done. Reason we do the plane, if I didn't do the plane, the thread would be sealed around the edge there. You wouldn't have a full thread coming out. That's why I do the plane. Oh, I was going to say, what white stuff? I thought something broke. So it's pretty much going to be the same on all these hot ones here and on ones here. Now, I want to see something. Can I actually mirror that thread? I'm not going to mirror the thread in case it turns the thread into from a right-hand thread to a left-hand thread, because technically it would be that. So I'm not going to do that just in case it breaks it. So I'm going to do them all so that way I know they're correct. I'm going to speed this up. But one thing I've got to check, it's 5mm, okay, it is correct measurement. So make sure when you do it, it's correct measurement down here. It's a 5mm hole, so it's 5mm there. So make sure on that. So again, let me just do it one more time before I speed up. That edge there, plane goes there, and that one goes right there. Then you extrude, trim, and done. This is not threaded. Do not thread these. Alright, welcome back. So we're on the last thread on this one. This is 0.6 M6, not 0.6, M6 I mean. So we're doing the last one on this one. Nothing to do to it, it's the face, it works as well. See edge there too, so that works as well. And that's all them done. Now we need to do one more here, which is a 16 mil. Where we hole thread. We need to change that one. Let me just do mark what I need. Now this one might have to go differently. Yeah, because it's going to do the 16. Oop, 16 up. 15, 16 by 1.5. Now if we do that and that, the problem is it's going to cover up those holes, which it does, that's what we don't want. So one way you can do that is to do the thread, then do that. Actually, how would that do if I move that down? Where are we? Where is that angle hole? There is. That one and that one. If I move them down, it's not going to let me. Okay, well if I move that one up, it's not going to let me either. Okay, no worries. So just go back to, edit that one. There it goes. But we're not going to go up to selection, we can go down. So 20, let's try 22. There we go. 22, it's right at the top of the hole, perfect. Then okay. There we go, perfect. And that is that piece done for you. Do hide that one. So it's part 5-22, the cylinder block done for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Now it looks like there's no 5-23, so the next one will be 24. I'm going to look through just in case it misnumbered again, but I couldn't find it. So it may go straight to 524 next one, or we see what happens. Anyway, thanks for coming along. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Click the like button, comment, subscribe. Do appreciate it. Welcome new subscribers. Thank you for everyone's support. I'll see you next episode. Remember, thank you very much.